Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up WordPress on Siteground. So I'm inside my Siteground account, and all you have to do is go to a website. So click on websites. You may or may not have websites if it's a new account. All you have to do is click on new website and just if you already have a domain, you can just click on existing domain. If you want to buy a new domain, you'll click on new domain. I already have an existing domain, so I'm just going to select existing domain here, and then you just have to enter your domain name. So I'm going to enter my domain name here and hit continue. And it says that domain is not registered in your SiteGround account because I have registered this domain through Namecheap. So it's not here. So I have to connect my SiteGround hosting to my domain name in Namecheap. But that's a completely different process. Right now, we're only looking at how you can set up WordPress on SiteGround. So I'm just going to hit continue here. And it's going to be a similar process if you have a new domain. All you'll have to do is you'll have to purchase the domain. So right now I am starting a new website. So I'm going to select start new website and I want to install WordPress. So I'm going to select WordPress here. And you will have to create your WordPress logins here. So I'm going to create my login using my email address and I'll create a password. And hit continue. So basically, here my domain name is journey to wp.com. So when I go to journey to wp.com / wp-admin, which is going to be my login for WordPress, these are the details I will need. So make sure you remember this password and keep it safe somewhere. I'm going to hit continue. And that's it. You can add an SG site scanner, which is a monitoring service that checks your website daily, and it is a paid service. I'm not going to use it right now, so I'm just going to hit finish. And now it's creating my site. Since I've not bought the domain on SiteGround, I will have to connect my domain in Namecheap to my hosting in SiteGround. So my website, my WordPress website is going to be hosted on SiteGround, but I bought the domain, which was like $10 a year on Namecheap. So I'll have to update the DNS servers in Namecheap, and you'll get those details once your site is ready. So generally, if you're using some other hosting platform, you might be able to redirect your domain from Namecheap to that particular hosting without creating a site. But on SiteGround, you first have to create your site, and then here it gives you these details to point your domain. So if you have your domain on a different platform, if you bought a domain from Namecheap or GoDaddy or something like that, you will have to use these DNS name servers to then redirect your domain to SiteGround. So that's it. Your website, WordPress website is set up, and I have already redirected my site to this domain. So, or my domain to this hosting. So that's all set up. But when I go inside Site Tools, this is what I see, and you can manage all the different details here. You can also click on WordPress. We've already installed WordPress. You can go to security and you can go to SSL manager and you can install an SSL account here. So I'm just going to select an SSL. And this is the first step to installing your SSL. You'll have to do a second step inside of WordPress. You can read all about that once you install this. SiteGround will take you to a document which tells you how to install it from WordPress. And you can also create your email accounts here. So under emails, under accounts, you can go ahead and create an account name and a password and just hit create, and your email account will be created. Now, if I go to journey to wp.com / wp-admin. So right now it's not updated. It takes at least like a few minutes for it to get updated, but this is going to basically be the link for me to sign in into my WordPress account. Again, if you're buying the domain on SiteGround, it is pretty straightforward. But if you've already bought your domain on a different platform, you can connect it using the DNS servers provided here. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions or if you want any more such tutorial videos, let me know in the comments below. And if you'd like to learn all about WordPress, don't forget to hit subscribe and hit that bell notification. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.